Hi, we are Noe and Johnny, and we are together in Texas. We live in Texas for the past 8 years. We love the state. The most amazing thing is the people, places to visit, and of course, the food. We want to share with you how great is living here. And our favorite thing is to spend time together and travel around. I hope you guys have fun with us. Enjoy the show. Hi guys, we're going to the farm to get some fresh peaches. We are planning to do a peach pie.
We've been here once. This is Terrell, Texas. It's kind of like an hour away from where we live. And a beautiful farm, we loved it. And we want to show it to you. Hi guys, this is a peach farm. This is fresh peaches, and we can check around all on the peach orchard, blackberry bushes.
Here at the farm, they have their own farmer market. They have fresh produce, cucumbers, tomatoes, eggplants, onion, potatoes, and they make their own ice cream and many more products.
Hi guys, this is a beautiful farm in Terrell, Texas. These are where peaches are.
They already picked the peaches, so we're not going to be able to go inside and pick our own peaches.
Because of the pandemic right now going on, so you cannot pick your own peaches. But still, it's great to be here in nature.
Peach trees, and they have berries, so they have blackberries in the other side. And last year we came over here and it was great to pick our own blackberries. It's a great experience, but now the season is over, so we are not going to be able to do that either.
Let's get the best out of this. Blackberry picking is over this year, so we'll wait for next year. Peach orchard.
And we are back on the store. It's really hot, so we're going to get some peach ice cream. Strawberry and we got our ice cream. Peach ice cream. Are you ready to try it?
Yes, I'm ready to try this peach.
2, 3.
Peach.
It's hot.
It's It's
Okay, got
hard.
it.
Okay.
That one.
You think that's a good means good quality?
What do you think about the ice cream? It's not too sweet.
It's not too sweet. It's creamy.
If you're nearby Terrell, really recommend to come over here and have some ice cream. Noe and I, we're going to enjoy this ice cream, and then we're going to see you in the house.
Yes, on a trip to the farm. Hey, we're back home and we're gonna get ready to make our peach pie, which are fresh. Permitted to be second.
I love the smell of this one. Pie is ready to go into the oven. It smells delicious, so let me take it out of the oven. We're gonna let the pie cool off. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for your support. Click on the bell to get notifications when we upload a new video.
Evening, we are gonna enjoy our patio.
It's time to cut the pie. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and click on the bell. That way you can get notifications when we upload a new video. Follow us on social media and share with your friends and family.